In the lush, verdant landscapes of the Middle Jurassic period, approximately 170 million years ago, a fascinating herbivorous dinosaur roamed the land. Shunosaurus, known for its distinct physical traits, particularly its tail with a club-like end, Shunosaurus stands out as one of the most intriguing members of the sauropod group. Shunosaurus, whose name translates to Sichuan lizard, was first discovered in the Sichuan province of China in the early 1980s. This region, rich in Jurassic-era fossils, has been a treasure trove for paleontologists. The first specimens were unearthed from the lower Shaximiao Formation, a sedimentary rock layer dating back to the Middle Jurassic. The species was formally described in 1983 by Dong Jiming, one of China's leading paleontologists. The type species, Shunosaurus li, was named in honor of Li Xuanmin, a local geologist who contributed significantly to the excavation. Physical characteristics. Shunosaurus is a medium-sized sauropod compared to its massive relatives like Brachiosaurus or Diplodocus, but it was still an impressive creature. Measuring approximately 9 to 11 meters, 30 to 36 feet, in length and weighing around 3 to 5 tons, Shunosaurus was built for survival in its Jurassic habitat. 1. Body structure. Head. Its skull was small and compact, with a blunt snout. The teeth were peg-like, ideal for stripping leaves from low-lying vegetation. Unlike the longer skulls of Diplodocids, Shunosaurus had a shorter, more robust head. Neck. While most sauropods are known for their extraordinarily long necks, Shunosaurus had a relatively shorter neck. This adaptation likely suited its feeding habits, as it primarily grazed on low-lying plants and shrubs. Tail. The most distinctive feature of Shunosaurus was its tail club, a bony structure at the end of its tail. This club, resembling a sledgehammer, was likely used as a defensive weapon against predators. The presence of spiked osteoderms around the club enhanced its effectiveness as a deterrent. Second movement. Shunosaurus walked on all fours, with its limbs supporting its massive body. Its forelimbs were slightly shorter than its hind limbs, giving it a slightly sloping back. This posture is typical of many sauropods and allowed for efficient locomotion. Habitat and ecosystem. During the Middle Jurassic, the Sichuan Basin, where Shunosaurus lived, was a tropical to subtropical environment. The region was dominated by lush forests, river deltas, and swamps, providing ample vegetation for herbivorous dinosaurs. 1. Diet. As a herbivore, Shunosaurus fed primarily on low-lying plants, including ferns, cycads, and horsetails. Its teeth were well adapted for stripping leaves, but it likely swallowed vegetation whole, relying on gastroliths, stomach stones, to grind and process the plant material in its digestive system. Second role in the ecosystem. Shunosaurus played a crucial role in the Jurassic ecosystem by maintaining vegetation balance. Its grazing habits likely helped shape the landscape, promoting the growth of specific plant species. Additionally, as prey for large theropod predators, Shunosaurus was an integral part of the food chain. The unique tail club. One of the most fascinating aspects of Shunosaurus is its tail club, a feature that sets it apart from most other sauropods. 1. Structure and function. The tail club was a robust, bony structure formed by fused vertebrae and ossified tendons. It was likely used as a weapon to fend off predators. When swung with force, the club could deliver a powerful blow, capable of injuring or deterring even the most determined attackers. 2. Comparison with ankylosaurs. Interestingly, the tail club of Shunosaurus is reminiscent of the heavily armored ankylosaurs that lived millions of years later. However, while ankylosaurs were low-built and covered in bony armor, Shunosaurus relied solely on its tail for defense. 3. Defensive behavior. When threatened, Shunosaurus may have used its tail in combination with group living strategies. By forming herds, these dinosaurs could protect their young and vulnerable members, while the tail clubs served as an additional layer of defense. Predators and threats. Shunosaurus lived in an era when predatory dinosaurs were evolving new hunting strategies. Its main threats likely included theropods, such as Yangchuanosaurus, a large carnivorous dinosaur that shared its habitat. First, defensive tactics tail club. As mentioned earlier, the tail club was a primary weapon. A well-aimed swing could break bones or cause significant injury to an attacker. Herding, Shunosaurus likely lived in groups, a common behavior among herbivorous dinosaurs. Herding offered safety in numbers, making it harder for predators to single out an individual. Size. Despite being smaller than other sauropods, Shunosaurus was still a formidable opponent due to its sheer size and weight. Evolutionary significance. Shunosaurus is an important dinosaur in the study of sauropod evolution. Its unique characteristics provide insight into the diversity and adaptability of sauropods during the Jurassic period. 1. Intermediate form Shunosaurus is considered a more primitive sauropod compared to later giants like Brachiosaurus and Apatosaurus. Its shorter neck and tail club suggests that early sauropods were not exclusively adapted for high browsing, but had a range of feeding and defensive strategies. 2. Sauropod defense mechanisms. The tail club of Shunosaurus offers a glimpse into the evolutionary experimentation of sauropods. While most sauropods relied on their massive size and herding behavior for protection, Shunosaurus developed a specialized weapon. This unique adaptation highlights the evolutionary pressures faced by herbivores in predator-rich environments. Paleontological importance. The discovery of Shunosaurus has been a significant milestone in the field of paleontology, particularly in understanding the diversity of sauropods. 1. Complete fossil records. Shunosaurus is one of the few sauropods with relatively complete fossil remains, including a well-preserved skull. This completeness has allowed scientists to reconstruct its anatomy and behavior with a high degree of accuracy. 2. Insights into Jurassic China. The discovery of Shunosaurus and other dinosaurs in the Sichuan Basin has shed light on the rich dinosaur fauna of Jurassic China. This region was a hotspot of dinosaur diversity, housing a wide range of species, from small theropods to massive sauropods. Cultural and educational impact. Shunosaurus has gained recognition beyond the scientific community. It has been featured in museums, books, and documentaries, helping to popularize the fascinating world of dinosaurs. 1. Museum displays. Fossils of Shunosaurus are prominently displayed in several museums in China, including the Zhejiang Dinosaur Museum in Sichuan. These exhibits provide visitors with a glimpse into the life of this unique dinosaur. 2. Public awareness. Through its distinctive tail club and fascinating history, Shunosaurus has become a favorite subject in dinosaur-related media, sparking curiosity among enthusiasts of all ages. Shunosaurus is a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of dinosaurs during the Jurassic period. With its unique combination of sauropod traits and defensive adaptations, it stands out as a fascinating example of evolutionary innovation. From its discovery in the Sichuan Basin to its role in paleontological research, Shunosaurus continues to capture the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Its story not only enriches our understanding of dinosaur evolution, but also underscores the dynamic and ever-changing nature of prehistoric ecosystems. As research progresses and new discoveries are made, Shunosaurus will undoubtedly remain a key figure in unraveling the mysteries of the Jurassic world.